Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing an Easter basket. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with, I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Hello little artists, today we're drawing an Easter basket and I hope you find this lesson super easy. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Let's start in the middle of the paper and then we're gonna go up. We're gonna trace a rectangle shape that is gonna be the center of the bow. Now we're gonna go on the right side and we're gonna trace a line that goes up and now to the right. And on the left side the same thing. We're gonna go up first and then to the left. Now let's go down in both sides and I'm trying to round the corners. We're gonna do the same thing here. And now we're gonna do a little line to the opposite side. So we're gonna do here to the left and in this one to the right. Now we're gonna close the bow here in this corner. Next we're gonna do a couple lines inside to make it look more like a bow. Now let's do the bottom part of the bow and I'm gonna start from this corner going down and curve, curve and go up. Now again, from this corner, we're gonna go down, curve, curve, and go up. Okay? Now let's do the size of the basket. So I'm gonna start first on the corner that we did here, and we're gonna do a curve that goes down. Okay? Now I wanna try to do the same length of this curve that on the opposite side. The same thing, we wanna go curve and goes down. Now let's do these lines double and we're gonna leave up a space and we're gonna come down the same way and the same here. Now let's close these lines from side to side and I'm gonna turn my paper just to make it a little bit easy and I wanna start doing a curve that goes to the other side. Okay, and we're gonna pass a little bit this line so we can do a curve down, and I wanna turn my paper a little and I want to do the same thing. I want to do a curved line that goes from side to side. Now we're going to do the eggs that go inside the basket. I want to start on the left side and I'm just going to do kind of like an oval shape that goes up and down. Now I want to leave a finger space here and we're going to do one more. And this one is tilting a little bit to the right. Okay. And we're gonna do a last egg in behind these two that is picking up down here. Now let's do the sides of the basket. So I'm gonna come from this corner with a diagonal line that comes down and the same thing here. And now we're gonna do the Easter eggs down here before we continue with the basket. I wanna start on this side and I'm gonna do the same thing. It's kind of like a U shape. So I wanna start going up, curve, going down, and now the bottom goes round like this. Now in the middle we're gonna do one more and we're gonna do the same idea I did here. We're gonna start kind of like with a letter U shape and now we're gonna start going round like this. Let's do one more egg in this side. So I'm gonna curve, going down and start curving like that. And the last one is going to be in behind. We're going to overlap. So I'm curving, going down, and I'm just going to pass a curve on the bottom. Now, if your lines don't touch like mine, we're just going to connect this line here and this line here. Inside, we're going to do lines for the basket. So I want to leave a space here, and I'm going to try to do this line a little bit more straight, following the same shape this one has. So I'm going to go down like this. Here the same thing, we're gonna leave a space and I wanna go down like this. It's a little diagonal. Now let's leave a finger space and we're gonna do one more. Finger space and I'm doing one more. And again, finger space, you do another one. Finger space, the last one. And now we're gonna do two lines across. They go across in a horizontal way. So I'm just gonna go in here, and these lines are a little curvy. And I wanna go really close to the eggs. And if you want, you can pass this line in behind the egg if it crosses too close. And there, that's it. We finished this Easter basket, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my basket turned out. I think these can look really pretty when you change the colors or you decorate your Easter eggs differently. I want to keep it simple and I just went for plain colors, but you can actually use your imagination to decorate your eggs. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.